This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing the obvious sources of ads. Update Chrome now so security fixes apply, then go straight to site settings to block pop-ups and redirects. Next, inspect extensions and uninstall anything you did not add or that seems suspicious. Once done, sign out of sync devices only if those devices show the same ads, because syncing can reintroduce bad extensions or settings. These actions immediately cut off the most common ad injection vectors. Now you dig deeper to remove persistent ad injectors. Run a full anti-malware scan to catch unwanted programs that alter Chrome. After scanning, reset Chrome settings to remove hidden flags and policies. This restores default search and homepage. Clear cookies and site data so previously granted ad permissions are revoked, and temporarily disable auto sign-in so corrupted credentials won't reapply settings. These steps remove both software and data-based causes of recurring ads. To finish, harden Chrome. Install a strong ad blocker like uBlock Origin and make sure safe browsing is on to block malicious ads. Audit site permissions, especially notifications and pop-ups, and revoke any that look wrong. This prevents sites from pushing ads. Test in incognito or a fresh profile to confirm removal. If ads persist, create a new Chrome profile or run a complete OS-level antivirus scan and reset router if multiple devices are affected. Those steps resolve stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.